What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button that's listed down below in case you guys haven't liked this type of content. Today, I've done this one other time before on my channel. It is eating cheesy onion rings. I mean, like, covered in cheese, cheesy onion rings. So, we're gonna eat this plate of cheesy onion rings. And, the difference is instead of baking them, my mom got a deep fryer. And so they're deep fried. Should be nice and good. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Pretty good. I don't really like how I made the cheese on this. I basically made shredded cheese. Well, I didn't make it. I put shredded cheese in some milk and boiled it. I don't really know how to make like melted cheese any other way. I mean, I guess I could buy some Velveeta cheese, but that stuff's like really expensive. And it goes really, really fast. And I, of course, don't have any napkins, like always. I'm actually drinking chocolate milk today. For the simple fact that the chocolate milk expires in like 3 days, 2 days. So, you gotta get rid of that before it goes bad. And it's very good. It's very good. I like it a lot. Cheesy onion rings. Because, as Nikki Avocado says, we love cheese. We love cheese. I can't really stand Nikki Avocado anymore. I used to be a big fan of him. But anymore, it's just ridiculous. You guys really seem to like the video where I said I was the new Nikki Avocado. That made me really happy that you guys liked it that much. It made me super duper happy. Mmm. Chocolate milk and onion rings isn't too bad. Cheesy onion rings and chocolate milk. Not bad at all. If I do say so myself. You guys ever tried cheesy onion rings? They're really good. I'm definitely going to have to try a different cheese next time. Like, it's not bad, but it has a grainy taste to it. Or a grainy texture. This one has a lot of cheese on it. Mm-mm-mm. I've almost drunk all the chocolate milk out of that. That's sad. But hey, at least the chocolate milk is getting drank, because if not, it's going to go bad. And we do not like wasting food in this house. We do not like to waste, excuse me, food in this house. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Just stacking onion rings. Oh, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Oh, okay. Stack one more. Oh, that didn't fall either. What about this one? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. I'm slightly entertained by it though. Oh. Oh. It almost fell, but it didn't. What about this one? Oh. Uh-huh. Oh. Uh-oh. It fell. It fell. My goodness, it fell. There's a lot of cheese on this plate. Like, can you guys see? No, you guys can't see the cheese up here. There's a lot of cheese on this plate. Yeah, there you go. You guys can see some of the cheese. There's a lot on the plate. I think I'm going to eat one more. I'm going to eat one more onion ring with some cheese on it. And then I think I'm good. Because, like I said, the cheese is just kind of grainy. It's got a grainy texture, and I think that's because I use shredded cheese, and it's not cheese that, like, I don't know. It didn't melt. It melts weird. Shredded cheese melts weird. It just got a grainy texture to it. Plus, I just ran out of milk. This wasn't as good as what I thought it would be. Last time I made these, it was really good. But the cheese this time, it just wasn't. It just was not appealing. I definitely do not suggest doing shredded cheese if you guys want to make your own type of cheese. I would definitely suggest Velveeta. I know it's a bit more expensive, but it tastes better in the long run. Definitely way worth it. So don't do what I did and make that mistake. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys happen to like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button that's listed down below. Hit that bell notification, turn on notifications so you guys never miss a future upload or video. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!